This is how I went from a broke 21-year-old to a rich 23-year-old, all by teaching myself a high income skill. I had absolutely no money in the bank. I was doing DoorDash. I was struggling. I was someone who quit things very easily back in the day. If something was slightly hard and I wasn't immediately very good at it, I would quit and never think about it again, and that would be that. I had no life goals, no life plan. All I knew is I was tired of being poor. So I went to Google and I typed in high paying jobs that I can work remote. I wanted to work remotely simply because I wanted to be able to do this, travel, while I'm working and making money at the same time. Something that popped up that caught my eye was a career called cybersecurity. It's a massively growing field. They pay all kinds of money. They let you work remote. They have a great work-life balance, all that good stuff, right? So that's when I went on LinkedIn. I typed in cybersecurity in the search box and I added almost, every single person that it would let me add in the cybersecurity field. I started messaging them, hey, how can I get a career in cybersecurity as fast as humanly possible? And I asked quite a few people. And then that's when someone told me about this school called Western Governors University. It's an online, completely accredited nonprofit college. You can get your bachelor's degree in under 6 months and it comes with 14 cybersecurity certificates. So since you can get a whole bachelor's degree from the school very quickly and cybersecurity certificates while you're going through the coursework, I actually got a job within 4 weeks of me starting the school as a cybersecurity engineer. I didn't have any experience, I didn't have a degree. I was enrolled in school though, and I did get my A+, Network Plus, and Security Plus certificate from that school. Once I had those certificates, no experience, no degree, right? I went back on LinkedIn. I messaged a whole bunch of recruiters for cybersecurity, and I had them help me create a resume that I could then go and show other recruiters to hopefully get a job. The resume template is free and the link's in my bio. Within 4 weeks, 1 month, my life went from, DoorDash driver to cybersecurity engineer, all because of the school and the certificates. Life is good right now. I'm making a lot of money from home and I have a new career. Follow to learn more.